Hey guys, I'm going to show you a setup on an all surface cleaner. Guy's going to do pressure washing, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning with heat. So we got the dual tank set up in here. Back reels, solution reel up high so there's room inside. Bring in a machine or something. And then the machine is right there, all surface cleaner. And as you can see, it's set up to be used outside and it's strapped in. So you see those straps down there and D-rings, so it doesn't move. Plus it's got brakes on it. And that is what I would recommend everyone do, that is make sure that it has the brakes on and it's strapped in, and make sure the strap is a 500-pound strap minimum.
You see when it's off, you put it like when it's off, just push it back.
Yeah, hold it down.
And when I'm starting it, it's on here.
It's got the air hog, comes with it, so you can do everything with it. Here where we're just testing with all surface cleaner. But yeah, nice setup, full-size van. You know, for about what, 10,000 or whatever, ready to do all kinds of businesses. It's a great deal. Heat is unlimited. Literally, it's 230 degrees, which the heat exchanger on top. You can see how big that heat exchanger is on top right there. So it's gonna give you constant heat.